Hello students, let's start this session. In this session we are going to learn about asynchronous JavaScript and XML, which is the full form of Ajax. So let's start this session. These days we usually come across many websites where data updates automatically without reloading the web page. For example, Gmail automatically loads new emails. Facebook also loads stuff automatically. All this is done by Ajax. All this is possible using Ajax. And we have already discussed the full form of Ajax, which is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Here the first word is asynchronous. The meaning of asynchronous is that the web application can send and receive data from the web server without refreshing the page, and the process of sending and receiving data from the server is done at the background, and this background process of sending and receiving data from server along with updating different section of a web page is the important feature, which is asynchronous feature of the Ajax. And so Ajax is a new technique for creating better, faster and more interactive web application. And interactive web application is developed using XML, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So Ajax uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript and XML. So HTML is used for setting the structure of a web application. CSS is used for setting look and style of the web application, and JavaScript makes a web application interactive, interesting and user friendly. And XML provides a format to store and transport data from the web server. So Ajax uses all these scripts. So there are many web applications that use Ajax: Google Maps, Google Suggest, Gmail, Yahoo Maps. Now we discuss it with example. Here we are filling name, class, English marks, math marks, Hindi marks we have filled. Now here we have two buttons on the page. One button is of total with Ajax and another is total without Ajax. Here when we click on total with Ajax, then it will bring the answer using the Ajax. So when we click on total with Ajax, it will give answer quickly. 291 is the answer. We have got this answer very quickly. So Ajax gives us answer in no time. It takes no time and it does not reload the web page. It only modifies the particular portion of the web page. So we have learned in Ajax program we don't have to wait for the response, and we get the response very quickly. And Ajax allows us to send and receive data asynchronously without reloading the web page. That's why it is fast, and it allows us to send only important information to the server, not the entire page as we have discussed already. It brings only a particular portion data. So only valuable data from the client side is routed to the server side, and only that particular portion is updated on the web page. Not the entire web page is updated or reloaded. It makes our application interactive and faster. So as we have already discussed, there are too many web applications running on the web that are using Ajax technology, like Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Google Map, YouTube, etc. So now we discuss next. First we clicked on total with Ajax. We got the total marks clicking on total with Ajax. Now we use another method, total without Ajax. Here we fill first values in text boxes. Now when we click on total without Ajax, it will take some time to give the answer because it will reload the page. So answer is not coming. Now answer has come. Now when answer has come, the existing data has been lost. So what happened? One thing, it has taken enough time to bring the answer. Second, it has reloaded the page. Because of reloading the page, existing data or previous existing data of the page is lost. So these are some problems that occur total without that occur using technology that is without Ajax. So here you have noticed the difference between total with Ajax and without Ajax. So all the available browsers cannot support Ajax. Here is a list of major browsers that support Ajax. Mozilla Firefox 1.0 and its above version, and Netscape version 7.1 and its above versions, Apple Safari and 1.2 and its above versions, Microsoft Internet Explorer 5 and above, Opera 7.6 and above. These are major browsers that support Ajax. So when we say that a browser does not support Ajax, it simply means that browser does not support the creation of JavaScript object, because JavaScript makes the web application interactive, and for using Ajax technology we need an XML HTTP request. So browser which does not support Ajax, that does not allow us to create the object. Which object? The object which is defined by XML HTTP request. So this object performs asynchronous interaction with the server, but browser which does not support Ajax, it will not allow us to create that object. So JavaScript code is visible to a user or hacker. One problem is this: JavaScript code is visible to a user or hacker, and hacker can use JavaScript code for inferring server side weaknesses. So can a user or a hacker can take advantage of server side weaknesses. So that's all for this session. We have learnt about Ajax. In next sessions we also discuss on its further features practically, and we have been discussing other topics also of other languages, or and also of other computer science subjects. So time to time, according to time, we will upload videos, and please keep on watching our channel, and do comment on our channel. So thank you, have a nice time, bye bye.